Walker, and these are my nachos. So these are our favorite tortilla chips because they have quinoa and chia seeds. And yeah, so you have to use black beans, obviously the tortilla chips, onion, avocado, some of this, some tomatoes and red peppers, and some cheese. This is my favorite meal because it's very healthy and very filling and very, very easy to make and very fast. But first, I'm making a pico de gallo, also known as salsa. And this is what it should look like when it's cut right here. So you start off, you cut it in half, then half again, and then half, and then half. So once you have your salsa, you have your chopped up everything right here, you take it and neatly put it into a bowl. Then you give it a squeeze of lemon, however much you would like. I personally like a lot of lemon. And then you get some salt. This is my favorite salt. Okay, so this is how I like to cut my avocado. So I cut it across one time and then through one time. So for this, you're gonna need 2 halves. So you can see right here are my 2 halves. Then you take your bowl and you take your 2 avocados and you just scoop it. I'm adding some baby bell peppers for extra nutrients. So you just slice them up, just like this. I'm gonna rinse these black beans and start assembling my nachos. So here's how I'm gonna assemble the nachos. You put some parchment paper on a baking sheet with your chips, beans, cheese, and bell peppers. So, once you've put everything on, you bake it at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Once the cheese is melted, you take your pico de gallo and your avocado and you just put it on. Time to dig in, but you can add sour cream if you want, but if not, it's all set. Thank you for watching.